Finally, Samsung's new Galaxy Smart Tag Plus is in the market and it's available in the US for the pre-order. Samsung first introduced the Galaxy Smart Tag and Smart Tag Plus back in January when it announced the Galaxy S21 series. The small device connects into Samsung's SmartThings app and lets the Galaxy smartphones find that device or lets the device find the Galaxy smartphone. The Galaxy Smart Tag Plus is finally available for pre-order from B&H Photo in the US, and it's also available on other stores if you're going to grab one piece of that. The Smart Tag Plus also uses a combination of UWB and Bluetooth 5.0 to enable AR tracking with the Galaxy phone when you are closer in proximity. Battery life is also significantly shorter on the Smart Tag Plus, which is rated for 5 months, while the standard Smart Tag is rated for up to 300 days. The new Smart Tag Plus retail for $39 and is currently only available to order in the black mode, with orders shipping starting from the April 12th of this month. The standard one retail for $29 from Samsung's website, but it can be found for cheaper on Amazon in both black and oatmeal finishes. If you're going to buy and grab one piece of that, please make sure to leave a comment below. How is your experience with that Galaxy Smart Tag? Please make sure to leave a comment below. We will catch you up in another video. Keep visiting Tides Schooling.